welcome back to another Hey It's Will video. Hi, I'm Will, and today we're going to be doing a smashing video. Yes, I have my doctor gloves on because I don't want mercury getting on my hands. So today we're going to be smashing these old cell phones from 2007. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's get to it, shall we? So, we have the first phone, the LG smartphone. So today we're going to be crow hammering it. This thing's a nut. We need to penetrate it. That's what we need to do. So as you can see, as we perform the surgery, we're going to nut it right here, down to here if we can. So without further ado, alright, you know what, this isn't going to work out. Alright, this phone right here is just awful. Okay, like, just awful. We're going to smash it up even more. Let's begin. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I'm such a fail. Oh. 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 Oh.
Will!
Yes.
Cut it out!
I just split it open. As you can see, here's what's left of it. This is, ooh, I should keep this. Ooh, what is this? Lithium. Focus! Alright, now, phone 2, as you can see, it's already cracked. And the battery has came out twice already. So, without further ado, let's do a snap test. I'm sorry about the bats, guys. I mean, literally, there was no point of pulling them out. Let's just do a snap test. There it is. Look at all those control panels. There they are. Those are the control panels. And my favorite, lithium ion battery. You know what? I want to keep this so bad. Let's see. Barcodes. Ooh. When is this made? When was this made? Made in China. And also some in Japan, but manufactured in China. Okay, so now we're going to open up the bodies. So without further ado, let's begin. I say that a lot because I like saying it without further ado. Here are both the phone screens. As you can see, they are both cracked, and they will not be working anytime soon, or they will not be working anymore. So yeah, these things aren't going to work. Yeah, they're junk. Just look at this. Those are your phones. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, cell buttons. Ooh, here, cell buttons. Here, cell buttons. Cell buttons. Cell buttons. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see what this phone does. Come on. I can't do this. This nut can't be broken. I need to break it more. Well, guys, I'm sorry, but the phones cannot be broken anymore. But thanks for watching my first smashing video. Well, thank you for watching my first smashing video, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.